Phrasal verbs with break. Break down. Meaning, to stop working or functioning. My car broke down on the way to the airport. Break in. Meaning, to enter a building or place forcibly and without permission. Someone tried to break in last night, but the alarm scared them away. Break out. Meaning, to begin suddenly, usually referring to something undesirable like a fire or conflict. A fire broke out in the factory, and firefighters rushed to the scene. Break up. Meaning, to end a relationship, either personal or professional. After years of dating, they decided to break up. Break through. Meaning, to overcome a barrier or obstacle, to achieve success or recognition. The artist worked hard to break through in the competitive art world. Break away. Meaning, to escape from a situation or relationship. She decided to break away from her old job and start a new career. Break off. Meaning, to stop suddenly or discontinue. The negotiations broke off without reaching a resolution. Break with. Meaning, to end a relationship or association with someone or something. He had to break with his old habits to lead a healthier lifestyle. Break into. Meaning, to enter a building or place illegally, often with the intent to commit a crime. The detective tried to break into the suspect's alibi. Break even. Meaning, to reach a point where the income equals the expenses, resulting in neither profit nor loss. It took a few years, but the business finally broke even. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.